4 ear medications and a few ways for you to remember them and memorize them. You ready? The first two have very similar sounding names. Actually, they all do. Okay, so the first one is ofloxacin. I promise you, this is going to sound complicated, but it's hella easy. You ready? Ofloxacin. We're going to use this word, ofloxacin, and we're gonna. If you remember this, you can multiply, stretch, expand, divide, all of it. Okay, let me spell it out for you. Ofloxacin. Right. This is our ear meds. Ofloxacin. The next one is ciprofloxacin. Cipro. Right? Is not that hard. Ofloxacin, ciprofloxacin. Now the last two are going to also have ciprofloxacin, but they are both going to have an additional ingredient. Okay? So the first one is ciprofloxacin. Ciprofloxacin plus hydrocortisone. Okay? Hydrocortisone. And we'll do like this so we know it has one name. These are together. The next ciprofloxacin, sorry guys, there's no E here. The next one is ciprofloxacin again, okay? Ciprofloxacin. This time I am not adding hydrocortisone because it would just be the same medication. This time I am adding dexamethasone. Very complicated to say, very easy. Let's break it down. Dexa, like Dexter. Metha is a TH. Methazone. Dexamethasone. Dexamethasone. Boom. Okay, so on this side, let's first of all see the similarities, right? If we're able to identify similarities, we're able to recognize them when they pop up randomly. Ofloxacin, technically it's in all of these medications. So let's just do the obvious. Ofloxacin, I'm going to underline it. Ofloxacin. Wait, I have it here. My depth perception is off, guys. Sorry. Ofloxacin. There you go. So ofloxacin exists already in all of them. But then I'm going to circle something that is also existent in the other ones. Cipro. What else do we notice that is in common there? I need some light. Hold on. Okay, and there was light. Thank you. Okay. So the other thing that I can notice here is that these medications that we added to ciprofloxacin, they seem to both end in zone. Zone and zone. So in these 4 meds, ofloxacin for ears is, let's get a purple one. Ofloxacin for ears is floxacin. Floxacin. Easy, I told you. Ciprofloxacin for your ear is Cetraxone. Now, when you combine ciprofloxacin, which is Cetraxone, and you add hydrocortisone, you get Cipro from the ciprofloxacin, and then you get HC from the hydrocortisone. Next, if I'm doing ciprofloxacin and I'm adding dexamethasone, I will get Cipro, which gets from the ciprofloxacin, and then I have Dex. Ciprodex. Isn't that so easy? I told you guys. It comes off very hard, but it's not. Okay, so let's go over them again. Dexamethasone, in addition to ciprofloxacin, give me Ciprodex. Cipro-HC tells me that I've combined two medication. HC will stand for hydrocortisone, and Cipro is ciprofloxacin. Cetroxol is ciprofloxacin by itself, and fluoxacin is ofloxacin if it is an ear medication.